Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need the extension installed and a clear target page. Open UI. Vision and create a new macro now. First, choose the right module, Visual for image-based automation, Selenium for DOM actions, because it affects reliability. Next, import or point to your CSV data and add any reference images so the macro has inputs. Once done, record one simple action like clicking a login field to capture selectors. This gives you a base macro to expand from and validates. With a base recording, refine the steps. Swap brittle clicks for stable XPaths or CSS and store values into variables so you can reuse them. Then wire in CSV read and a for each loop to feed rows. This lets you scale to many records automatically. Add conditional branches with execute script when you must decide based on page content. Make sure to include waits and a retry pattern for elements that load slowly, because stability matters more than raw speed. Now finalize by running the macro end-to-end in a small batch to confirm results, then scale to full datasets. Export the macro for backup and enable screenshots on failures so you can inspect problems later. Check the log and output CSV to verify every row processed correctly. If something goes wrong, first increase wait timeout and add explicit waits. If selectors still fail, switch to a visual assert or image search for that element. Rerun the failing case until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.